What's up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and I'm just gonna do an update kind of on everything we have at the Mafia shop right now. Lights looking pretty good. We got some daylight. It's a nice warm day today, meaning it's in like the mid 40s. Summer right now, almost 2023. So it's gonna be the last video of the year. I'm pretty much going to do this as a straight video, and then I'll just kick it up onto YouTube. So I just wanted to thank everybody for watching. Thank you for buying your parts from Auto Mafia Racing, your tunes. We appreciate it. It's been an amazing ride, and we can't wait to see what 2023 brings. So, without further ado, here's the current cars we have at Auto Mafia Racing. First up, the big 04 6-liter diesel. Big old lift. Just a sick truck. We built this forever ago. Yeah, it's got a blown head gasket at the moment. 100% blown head gasket. Then we got the Mafia Raptor, numero uno, 2019, lots of mods. Tuned by PD Tuning, still working through that. He's having a couple issues, so we're getting through that. Then we got this first generation 6.2 liter Raptor. That Raptor is here for a rear mount turbo kit. And yes, those will be for sale here in early 2023. I know, it's crazy. Yeah, 2023. But yeah, low mount turbo kits coming for Gen 1 Raptor. Single turbo, think stock motor, 600-ish horsepower. We got Cody's little shoebox of a daily. Then we got Cody's C4 Corvette. Then we got my EcoBoost. Now Cody's Corvette here, we're doing a Borla exhaust system on it. It kind of already had some. We have a video coming out on that. We're gonna put some long tube headers on it from probably American Racing headers. It is the LT 350, but decent car. Picked it up for a good price. The outside of it looks amazing. I know we had a video going and picking that up, but sweet car. It's gonna be a lot to build on that slowly as we go. Then my EcoBoost CV Fab front mount intercooler race. All the lights from Striker Lighting, that's where the headlights are right now, waiting on those to come back so it can be better. We're gonna basically design our turbo kit on this car. It's got all the Recaros and everything in it. There we go, you can see. Well, I can't really see, but whatever. Recaros, it's sick. CV Fab race intercooler in black. Kind of see it in there. Like I said, Striker lights for the grill, and then we got the Striker rear lights, and then we got the Striker those rear markers and side markers, forgetting what everything's freaking called. Then moving on, we got the 08 WRX. This one is the mid 400 horsepower WRX now that is no longer making horsepower because it's low on compression. Yes, it's bagged. It's not broken. Well, it is broken. Technically, it still starts and runs. But this guy is we're gonna do a K24 swap, do a little turbo on it, make 400, 450 on it. Maybe we'll do something to do 5. I think we're gonna work with Head Games and yeah, see what they want to do. Let's check out the Jeep. So this is my brother's Jeep. We just are almost done with the lift kit, throwing some 35s on her. Just a 2.5-inch lift kit there. It's a 2010 Wrangler Unlimited, Rubicon, all that jazz. It's pretty sick. We just did the lift kit and the bigger tires, and oh, it's so much better. Of course, then we got Tommy's IS300, which, as we all know, made like 180 horsepower. Sick car, looks amazing, especially for like the 500,000 miles that are on that thing. It's so many miles. Spare car for the dirt track. Because, you know, you got to have spare cars, because dirt track, if we blow or roll a car, at least we got another chassis and everything sitting here. And of course we got the dirt track cars, which looks like I need to put the covers back on. So my Cavalier, Cody's Cavalier, and my brother Daytona's Alero. Fresh red paint job. Looks like we got to put all the covers back on these things. Cody's got a little work to do for the coming season, but it looks like mine stayed. We of course got all of our trailers, and then our 2 Legends cars, Legends dirt track race cars. Those are around here too, locked up. this one's gonna be good. So here we go. This is the Ford Fusion with no drivetrain for the moment, no drivetrain, but the rear end is where it's been modified so far. This thing is doesn't look it doesn't look straight because we gotta do an alignment and everything, but it has, I don't know if you can see it, but this has a 2017 IRS from a Mustang under it, and it is fully built. Gotta be able to see it a little more. Yeah, there you go. Fully built, Viking shocks, springs, every billet arm available. It's just nuts. Now this one makes me sad. So this is the Coyote swap Fox body that needs a new paint job now. It did not last, but we got that Coyote in there. After we knock out some of these turbo kits, this car is going to get some love and get it running again, because it just makes me sad. Got the ZX3, technically Cody's ZX3. We were going to build it for a race car. Didn't really happen. We found the all the Cavaliers, the Ecotech motors, and that definitely is working out much better. They're fast. So what do we have over here? So just a 2.5 79 Fox. That's our 2-valve swap Fox body. Got a cage for it. I still need to install. Not really sure what all we're gonna do to it. Looks a little rough. And still waiting on this customer. This customer is a 1500 horsepower Barra build. Still waiting on some payment, and then this car can be finished. Doesn't owe us anything, guys. He has to pay to finish the build. So we're square, but unfortunately the car sits until they can afford the motor, which I keep trying to talk him into a lower horsepower at first so we can get it done. But hey, it is what it is. It'll sit here till we get it done. Still a sick car. And then of course we got the 56 F100. This poor truck. Guys, we lost the hood and we lost the tailgate on the way up here. Just sad. And we got this old junker right here. Old Toyota Corolla. I believe this one was the 76. It's pretty rare actually. 5-speed manual. We got Tommy's Porsche. Needs some work. I think it's the, what is this? A Cayenne? Is that what that one is? Another spare Cavalier for dirt track racing. Another Toyota Corolla. I think that one's an 82. Little Fox body with some 4-lug race stars. 2.3 manual transmission. Just a ripper. Snowmobile trailer. Got it all in there. I got Typhoon and Hurricane in the garage. And then we got another turbo kit right in here. So I'm going to walk you guys through the shop. It's a little bit of a, I guess we're doing kind of a tour today. I haven't done a tour here yet, so here we are. Go in the shop, check it out. All right. We got Tommy in here. Say what's up, Tommy. Say Happy New Year to everybody.
Happy New Year.
So here we are in the shop. This is it's a Mustang. It's all Mustangs, right? No, it is a GT Coyote that is getting our first GT rear mount turbo kit. Right now, Tommy's installing a return style fuel system, dual pump, 4-hat, all of our rest of our components, some Fuel Lab stuff. Tommy's sick bike. Yeah, we got a bunch of, we've just been cleaning and working on this shop. We got Cody in there doing some porting. Loads and loads and loads of all of our turbo parts. Shelves full of turbo kit parts everywhere. Nothing but turbo kit parts. I still love these. These are our new catch cans. So sick. Everything's stainless on them. But yeah, turbo parts galore. And turbo kits getting packed to go out. And intake shipping out. More turbo kits in stock. Is what it is, guys. We got a little packing area over here. Like I said, all these are going out. These are all stocking orders for some of our dealers. Like I said, all these turbo kits. I got to do a bunch of welding because we got to catch back up on screamer pipes. Put in all these turbo kits. But hell yeah, guys. So let's walk over to the office. I guess we can go this way. We'll walk over to the office and we'll look at the sad status of Hurricane and Typhoon. Now, a customer of ours is purchasing Hurricane from us, more than likely. Should be good. He's gonna make Hurricane an absolute beast drag car, which helps pay for Typhoon to become a beastly drag car. So let's check it out here. We got like 4 acres, just gorgeous area. Watching the sunset all the time. Let's walk in the front here. Yeah, buddy. I'm locked out, guys. I'm locked out. I guess we'll have to go around back. 2022. Hope everyone's done okay with all the COVID and their jobs and the whole economy situation. It's been a little crazy for us. I mean, you got to think, we moved from Florida up here to Montana in the middle of the winter last February during this whole economic downturn. It's been interesting to say the least, but we are here. Tommy's here, Cody's here, everybody's here. So here we are in the Mafia office. It's a good time. Got all of our computers up and everything. Gotta say hi to all the animals. Cause it's Montana. Gotta have it. All right, let's get the lights on. And we'll go through here and through here. Drag cars. Here we are. Sad state of Hurricane and Typhoon. Got the little Z125 in the corner. But hey guys, they are in the garage, which is, let's be honest, more than most of the cars. They have to stay outside, so I am not complaining, and I'm sure they're not complaining. But that's going to be our year-end video, guys, showing you guys what we're doing. A ton of turbo kits, absolute tons of our own parts. We've been able to brand and get stuff made for us and make ourselves. Just an absolute ton of stuff. It has been an absolutely joy this year being able to sell you guys all this stuff and make you guys all these custom parts, custom turbo kits. The whole team, we just thank you guys for entrusting us and being part of the Mafia. So we look forward to an absolutely fantastic 2023. We'll see you guys there.